A fresh start. On New Year's Day, we start a new year. Many people make promises to themselves. They want to be better. Some people want to be healthier. They decide to eat more fruits and vegetables. Some people want to stop doing things that are not good for them, like smoking. People make all kinds of promises. Some people try to be more patient and not get angry. Some people say they will work harder at their jobs or at school. My brother Tom always says he will stop biting his nails. He stops for a little while, but then he starts again. It is hard to keep New Year's promises. People have good ideas, but it is hard to do them. I don't make New Year's promises. I try to be good every day. I know I eat too many cookies. I try to eat just one. Every day is a new day to try.